In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert or generate a list of abbreviations or acronyms in Microsoft Word. When you're working on longer documents, like reports, theses, or manuals, it's very common to use a lot of abbreviations. To keep your readers from getting lost, it's a good idea to create a dedicated list that explains each one. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a simple, reliable way to set that up in Word, so you don't have to manage everything manually. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and scroll through it to identify the abbreviations or acronyms you want to include. As you go, decide on a consistent way to write them. For example, always use the same capitalization and spelling. Consistency is important because Word's tools work best when your abbreviations match exactly throughout the document. Next, choose a place where you want your list of abbreviations to appear. This is usually near the beginning of the document, after the title page and table of contents, but you can place it wherever makes the most sense for your reader. Click to put your cursor on a new blank line where the list should start, and type a heading such as List of Abbreviations or Acronyms. Press Enter to leave a line of space under the heading. Now you're ready to build the list itself. Go back through your document, and each time you see an abbreviation that should be included, select it with your mouse. Once it is highlighted, copy it. Then return to your list section under the heading and paste it there. Next to each abbreviation, type a dash or a tab space, and then write out the full meaning in clear, simple language. For example, you might write CPU, Central Processing Unit. Press Enter to move to the next line and repeat this process for every abbreviation you want to define. As your list grows, you'll want to keep it organized. Sort the abbreviations alphabetically so it's easy for your reader to scan and find what they need. You can do this manually by rearranging the lines, or you can select the whole list and use Word's Sort feature from the Home tab to automatically arrange them in A to Z order. Finally, read through your list carefully. Make sure each abbreviation appears exactly as it does in the main document. Check the spelling of the full terms and confirm that nothing important is missing. Once you're satisfied, your document now has a clear, professional list of abbreviations that will make it much easier for your readers to follow along.